DC LifeTech, empowering your tech journey. DC LifeTech is this week's small business spotlight here on the Door County podcast. We will get into a little bit more of their services in a few seconds, but here we are. If you are coming over the Michigan Street Bridge into historic downtown Sturgeon Bay, you will find DC LifeTech in the Fairfield building, which is up here on the left. It will pop up on your screen here in a little bit. If you are local, you probably know where this building is, and you've probably driven by it a million times. Here's the Fairfield building where DC LifeTech is located. That entrance right there, right here as you see, you come in off of Michigan Street. Just go through these doors right here, and DC LifeTech is just right down these little stairs, straight in. You just walk right in here and you will find Ethan, usually hard at work somewhere at one of the stations. DC LifeTech can help you with fraud prevention for just up or starting at $99 a year. It is definitely worth it. They can transfer all your data. There's Ethan. Say hi to Ethan. As you can see, all these computers are in there for repair or software updates or stuff like that. And over here, you'll find the magic little machine that transfers all your data. So whether you buy a new one or if it's broken, you can bring it in and they will transfer your data over to your new device. It's not lost. Here's a couple other computers that are being repaired, and then over here is where they usually have laptops for sale, but they are currently sold out because they go so fast. So for all of your tech needs, repairs, data transfer, Wi-Fi setups, head on over here to DC LifeTech and talk to Ethan, and he will set you up and get you on your tech journey with peace of mind and ease. DC LifeTech and the Fairfield building.